Hey guys, welcome to CodeBode. So in the last video we saw what are break statements in Java. Now let's see a similar yet different statement or keyword that is continue. It is mostly used with loops in Java. So let's start by understanding what is continue. And so this is our Eclipse ID, and continue makes the control to jump to the next iteration of the loop. So if you use continue for a particular condition, then that particular iteration is going to be skipped. So those statements in the loop won't be executed and the next iteration will start. So for skipping a particular iteration of the loop, we use continue statement. Now theoretically speaking, it will be difficult to understand. So let's take an example to understand how it actually works and what it is. As usual, we are going to print 10 numbers in Java. So let's start the loop from 1 this time. I equal to 1, I less than equal to 10 and I plus plus. So this is going to start from 1 up to 10, and let's just simply print the numbers using a simple loop. Now output for this is going to be 10. But what if I want to skip a particular number? So let's say I don't want to print 7. So I want to print a number from 1 to 10 but not 7. In that case I can make use of continue. So we can say if I equal to 7, then continue. We can also say if I not equal to 7, then only print. But if I equal to 7 and then continue works the same way. So this is going to skip the loop and 7 will not be printed. So here you can see 7 is not printed. So continue has skipped the loop. So we can use continue in one more condition. For example, we want to print only odd numbers in Java. Then we can use continue. So I'll show you one more example with the help of continue. So we'll say if I mod 2 equal to 0, we want to skip the loop. So we'll say if I mod 2 equal to 0, that is number is divisible by 2 and it is even, then the loop is going to continue. So this is going to print only only odd numbers since even are skipped. So this has printed only odd numbers. So in this way you can make use of continue. We'll also debug this example and check. So in the first condition I is going to be 1. So it will execute the loop, that is it will print the statement. In the next condition I is equal to 2. So 2 mod 2 is going to be 0. So it will go inside the if, and continue will take the control to the next iteration of the loop. So this will go on. So for 3 it has printed, for 4 again continue will take the control to the next iteration. So in this way continue statement works. We'll see some more examples of continue and break and even if statements in upcoming videos. And also we are going to practice a lot of examples in the upcoming videos. So stay tuned and subscribe to our channel, and also like and share this video. Thank you.